how to see Google Ads of competitors. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see Google Ads of competitors. In order to do so, you can go to Google and just type in your competitor. Let's say, for example, we now want to do website design. And here you can see all the sponsored ads of the companies. Let's say we take Webflow. What you want to do is you click on the three little dots over here. Then you go to My Ad Center. Go down and click on See More Ads. It will take you to a new page, as you can see. And here you've got all the ads of Webflow Inc. It's the legal name. They're based in the United States. And here you see all the ads they're running from the last 30 days. Now, what's also beautiful for this is what you can do is you go up and here you can see upload anytime, shown in the United States, all formats. But what you can do is custom this to a start and an end date, or you can show for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, the last 30 days. So you can play with a little bit to see what ads they run in those time periods. Now you can also show if they run any ads in other countries. Let's say maybe in Andorra they did some. As you can see, in Andorra they did 2 ads, but most of the ads were shown in United States. And lastly, you can select on all formats. You can click on image, text and video. For example, image. They haven't used any ads, images in the United States, maybe something else. Text. Here are the texts they use, and they probably use a lot of keywords they use that you also could use in your example. And the favorite, my favorite at least, is the videos. And it shows all the videos they made, and the beauty of it is you can click on it and you can actually see the video they made. As you can see all the videos they made. Just go simply to Google and type in your competitor's name to potentially see their ads. If they don't have any ads, of course you can't see it, but this way is the easiest way to see the Google ads of your competitors. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.